enough of time lapse. So hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be unboxing the new SJCAM 4000 which I bought it from Amazon, and I got it for 5,000 rupees. It's a 6 month struggle because I requested my parents to buy this camera in 6 months, and finally I got it. And I'll be doing this video in a vlog form, or I'll be showing the quality of the SJCAM in a vlog form, and I have tried to do this video in a different manner. Do let me know in the comment section below whether should I try these kinds of experiments in my channel or not. So let's get started with the video.
Now let's try out our Dubai Ke Shan, and he is the Guruji of all technical channels, and even our rap god, technical Guruji. So go check out this intro. नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज मेरे साथ है ये SJCAM SJ4000 इसको खोलेंगे, इसको देखेंगे क्या क्या मिलते हैं और इस कैमरा के दूसरे कैमरा से क्या यूनिक फीचर्स है। और मेरा नाम है सुंदर कश्यप, आप देख रहे हैं सुंदर कश्यप। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Let's try out our grandpa who is unboxing the video since 2011, and I'm sorry I don't have beautiful graphics on my wall because Ancient Paint won't sponsor me. I think it sponsors to his video, not to my video, so I'm just imitating him. So let's try. Hi there, this is Sundar and welcome to my channel. And right now I have this SJCAM 4000, and it's a company name called SJCAM, and the model name is SJ4000L. So it all says that 4K HD video recording and 2.0 screen with 30 meters water resistance. And here is the barcodes where you can scan and get an app in your mobile. So, and even you can check in the online websites whether your product is original or not. And here are some languages. I think this is in English, and this is in German and different other languages. And the MRP rate is over 7,800, and I got it for 5,000 rupees. And so this content includes camera, water casings, 2 mounts and few mounts. Not these are the J holders, and these are the 2 mounts, and this is a tripod mount. And here is the branding. Even it has a Wi-Fi feature which you can connect this camera to your cell phone devices.
So right now I'm shooting this video at 1080p 60 frames per second, and the viewing angle is quite small, 170 degrees, and it has a Wi-Fi support also, and this is how it is. I am recording this video without case because this case the audio is not recorded, and I think we need to put an external mic for it, and we need to make a host of the case, and I'll be doing that. I may or not, but I'll be trying to do that in upcoming future videos.
So right now I'm shooting this video at 720p 120 frames per second, and the quality of this video is like this. And I'm from 18th floor watching this city. Right now I'm recording this video at 4K 30 frames per second, and let's check this quality out. So we can connect our camera to a smartphone using this app called SJCAM with this icon. With this icon, using a Wi-Fi network. See, I think you are able to see. So this is how it appears on mobile. So I think it's a good camera for that price range, and it's good, and even it has 170 degrees viewing angle and all.
Have seen the video samples of this camera SJCAM 4000. For this price range, the video clarity of this camera is good. When it comes to audio, it has to be improved, and for audio recording you should use a external mic for this, and Wi-Fi support also is there in this camera, and it takes 3 hours for full charge, and it gives you 70 minutes when you are recording in 1080p, and when you decrease the video clarity, you'll be increasing the time, and when you use the Wi-Fi network, it takes around 45 minutes to drain out the full charge, and the viewing angle is around 170 degrees for this camera, and I think for this price range it's good. Let's come to the point, should we use this camera for vlogging? I suggest you to use this camera for motovlogging and activity stuffs and all. If you want to use this camera as a primary camera, you need to attach an external mic for this, and then you are ready to roll. The quality of this camera is simply good. I did not expect this build quality in this price range.